stop clapping, you're the drummers. Batteria. Well, God save the Queen, the fascist regime. She made you a buy, potential H-bomb. Well, God save the Queen, she ain't no human being. There is no future in anyone's dreaming. Well, don't be told what you want. Don't be told what you need. The future, the future, the future for you. Let's sing the God Save the Queen. We mean it, man. We love our Queen. God saves. God save the Queen. Deserves our money and our figurehead. You know she ain't what she seems. What God save history will save you, man, parade. Lord God have mercy, for all crimes are paid. Well, when is the future? Well, how can it be sent? We're the flowers in a dustbin. We're the poison in a human machine. We're the future. Well, your future. God save the Queen. We mean it, man. We love our Queen. God saves Robbie. Really. Hi there, this is Glen Matlock, and this is my first time ever in Friuli Venezia Giulia. I think it's a great area. I've never been here before. I will certainly come back again. The people are fantastic. Now it's stopped raining. It's really good. It was lightning this morning, but it's great architecture here in Udine, and I'm really looking forward to doing a little show here. So looks like we're going to have fun. Kind of clap along to this one if you want. Here we go. A poet and asking, you get no reply. Just steaming, I don't decide. I got no reason, it's all too much. You always find us where? We're out to lunch. We're out of lunch. Oh, we're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. Don't ask us to attend. We ain't out there. We don't pretend, well, we don't care. I don't believe illusion, cause too much is for real. So stop your cheap comment. Well, we know what we feel. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Oh, I reckon you do, really. The poet ain't asking, you get no reply. Just steaming, I don't decide. I got no reason, it's all too much. You always find us where? We're out to lunch. We're out of lunch. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. We're so pretty, oh, so pretty. Vacant. Alive. And we don't care. Right, know this is a bookshop, yeah, but I want to hear you guys singing. And the ladies. We're pretty. Oh, you must know it by now. It goes, we're pretty, a pretty vacant. Oh, come on, don't be shy. I tell you, the more you sing, the quicker we can get to the end of the song, right? Here we go. We're pretty, pretty vacant. We're pretty, pretty vacant. I say we're pretty, a pretty vacant. We're pretty, a pretty vacant, and we don't care. Hey, Johnny. Thanks a lot. Going to take a little break, and if anybody wants their book signed, I've also got a few records that you might want to purchase. We'll see you shortly, but thanks a lot. Thank you. Grazie.
Glen Matlock, grazie.